For an exhilarating vacation experience with an island vibe, welcome to Fraser Beach Resort, just 1 hour northeast of Toronto.
Somewhere out there, somewhere out there, somewhere out there, yeah. I wake up to my favorite song on the radio, in my little cottage on the beach. I know someone somewhere's doing the same thing, on some island looking over the seas. It's the same waking up on the countryside, so much tranquility and peace. Sweet little birds singing songs in the country, seagulls singing songs on the beach. Now tell me, where can you find this vibe all the time? Only tell you this vibe, this lovely vibe, this is the vibe on the beach side. I tell you this vibe, this lovely vibe, this is the vibe on the countryside. Yeah, so when you wanna get away from the city and the matrix, and you wanna have a little fun, just take it to the beach or the countryside.
Sunshine, I'm always ready to go, yeah. Go to the beach side or try down the country road. When the stars all come out at night, their beauty, it lights up your soul, yeah. Putting you in the mood for love like never before.
I tell you this vibe, this lovely vibe, this is the vibe on the beach side. I tell you this vibe, this lovely vibe, this is the vibe on the countryside. Yeah, so when you wanna get away from the city and the matrix, and you wanna have a little fun, just take it to the beach or the countryside. When I walk across the sand into the water,
I feel all my energy flow, yeah.
becoming one with Mother Nature.
Yeah, this is how life's meant to go.